Hello guys! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel any subscription on your phone. So first, you just have to search settings and click settings and then click your Apple account and then search for subscription. And as you can see, I have two active subscription. So to cancel subscription, you just have to click which app subscription do you like to cancel. So for example, I would like to cancel this Moises app. You just have to click it and then as you can see, it appears cancel subscription and you just have to click it. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching.